I know I say this every time I post a video, but I think this is the most fun I've ever had decorating for Halloween. I am obsessed with almost every corner of my house, and I'm so glad the way that it turned out. And guys, I didn't spend a lot of money. A bunch of the things that you see in this house are from the dollar section, starting with the spider webs. The spider webs I got from the dollar section at Target. This little bat was $2 from Walmart. And then I got a bunch of moss from Walmart also. I actually got a lot of these decorations from Walmart. Surprisingly, they have really affordable, somewhat good quality Halloween stuff. And then the other thing that I purchased were these like maroon, ruby, berry roses from Michael's, and they came in a bushel and were 50% off, because right now all fall floral is 50% off at Michael's. And then the other thing that I purchased that I'm absolutely obsessed with are these bats. They come in, I think, packs of 12 from Walmart, and they were $2. Guys, when I say I didn't spend a lot of money, I didn't spend a lot of money. This is like, I was just so excited when I found them. I wanted to scream. And I don't know if you can see from this angle. You'll be able to see from an angle later. They are actually 3D. If you watched my fall home tour video, you can see that I really didn't change much. I just added some things. I added moss, I added spider webs, and I added those maroon roses and incorporated them into different areas of the house. These little rats were in the same section as the bats that I purchased for the wall. I think they came in a pack of like 8, and they were also $2. And I thought it would be fun to put them up on top of my cabinets so that when you looked from across the house, it looked like there were rats up there. And then we're getting close to my absolute most favorite part of this entire decor video, which is my tablescape, my table decorations for my dining room table. I am so obsessed with this. I think it came out so beautifully, and I actually had a completely different concept before I had what you see now, and I hated it so much I completely disassembled it and started over from scratch. And I just absolutely love the way that it turned out. I purchased this candelabra from Michael's. Again, it was also 50% off. I think this is probably the biggest thing I purchased, and it was maybe $15, maybe $15. I'm not even sure. But most of the other stuff that you see on this table are things that I already had, or were the cheap things like the moss and the spider webs that I just incorporated back into it. Don't let something like this intimidate you if you want to try it in your home. What you do is start with the big pieces, set them out where you want them, and then start adding the little pieces in on top. And you play with it, move it around. I probably moved this around like I don't know, I didn't stop touching it for 2 days. So definitely try it out. Don't tell yourself, oh, I can never do that, because you can. If you guys liked this video, make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to put out a part 2 and show you my totally awesome homemade outdoor Halloween home tour. So make sure you hit that red button, and I'll see you in my next one.